Hello everyone, hope you are all doing well. So, do you want to know about Shilan reviews? So, here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So, please stay connected with us. Also, guys, if you wish to buy any product from the site, then please do watch this video. And if you have already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So, please stay tuned with us. People from the United States are very curious to know about this site. So make sure to watch the full video and do not skip any part of it. So this website is an online shopping site which offers different kind of products. But they have offered only 4 products, as you can see. These are the only products that they have offered in their main homepage. So they have offered a portable leak-proof sports water bottle. Then there is a BBQ mesh grill bags. Then there is a 3-in-1 multifunctional silicone remover. And there is a retro belt waist men's back sports. So you can check this out. So next we are going to check their payment method. So they have given it here. You can pay through Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, PayPal and many more. Next, if you want to know about the shipping policy, we'll check it. So here I have to click how long will it take to ship my order. So here, as you can see, there are different shipping timing. So they have mentioned that for these products that are classic t-shirt, premium fit men's tee. So for DTG and screen print, it takes 5 to 10 business days. And for drawstring bag, tote bag, it takes 5 to 15 business days. And all over print t-shirts, it takes 5 to 15 business days. Also, there are some other shipping timings, so you can check this out. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. Now let's talk about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam website. So guys, this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration which keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. Now talking about the domain information, this website was registered on 24 of September 2021 and it will expire on 24 of September 2022, which means it is a new website and hence it can't be trusted. So next we are going to check their about us details. So as you can see, they provided very few details. They haven't given their business establishment year or about their founder identity. They've only mentioned something about their company, so you can check this out. Next, if you want to check their contact details. So here, as you can see, they have provided the contact number. And also, if you want to know about their email address, you have to click here. So as you can see, in their main homepage, they have provided the contact number and also the email address. And as you can see, the email address name does match the domain name, so this can be taken as a positive sign. So next guys, if you want to know about their social media presence, well, this website doesn't have any social media presence, which is the negative sign of this website. So next, we'll check the return and refund policy. So you have to click on what is your return policy. So here, as you can see, they have mentioned something about the return. So they have mentioned that you must submit a claim within 15 days of the delivery date. And let's check their refund. So here it has mentioned that refunds are processed within 5 to 10 business days in your original mode of payment. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. Now talking about the Shilan reviews, we didn't find any single customer review of this website anywhere. And the TrustNext score of this website is only 1% and the business trust ranking is 14.6%, which is very low and bad. Also, the content quality seems to be totally plagiarized. So in the conclusion of the Shilan reviews, this website appears to be a scam website. This is a very new website. It doesn't have any reviews or any social media presence. Also, the trust index score is very poor, so it is a scam website. So guys, we recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. Also, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And have a nice day.